How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some stuff that I got on my trip to Southern California. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted some stories of stuff that I've been doing down there. One of them, which is going over down to Mod in Japan, who is housing and handling my third-party logistics for all the Garage Unique USA products. But before we get into opening some stuff, if you do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Definitely would appreciate it. Also, follow our socials. Links in the description below. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The weather today has been quite interesting. It's raining. If you've been following my Instagram stories on the M2 Motoring account, you would know that I was obviously in Southern California and it was raining down there. Now, I went down there for the specific purpose to take care of some packaging and getting stuff prepared for shipments. If you didn't know, Mod in Japan currently houses my Garage Unique USA inventory. So I had to go down there, take care of some stuff, and of course drove the XB. Did great on the trip there and back. Ran flawlessly. But on the other note is I have some stuff that came in, as you can see here and here. Now, can you guess what they are? If so, leave a comment below and take a guess. I'll give you a second. This shouldn't be too hard to figure it out just by the boxes, but this right here, take a wild guess. Also, if you're looking for some parts, definitely hit me up. Email address is right there, info@m2-motoring.com, or hit up the website. This stuff here is probably not going to make it on the website. Usually the stuff from Japan that I get goes pretty quick. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started on opening and unboxing everything, and I'll be right back. All right, before I get into all the stuff that came in, just wanted to say this car again ran beautifully to Southern California and back. Couldn't be happier, more proud of this thing. This thing takes a beating and still keeps going. Just give you a brief kind of backstory on why I went to SoCal again was a lot of the Garage Unique stuff that came a lot of items in one large box. What it is for a lot of our logistics, we need each item packaged individually to be shipped. So that needed to be done. And every box company that I contacted in Southern California wanted a large order quantity, like 1,000 boxes, and that's a lot of boxes. So call a few places. Everybody at minimum wants 1,000 order to 500, 1,000 units to custom make packaging. Now there is a box shop here called Best Boxes that I've been using on and off for past 3-4 years, and their minimum order quantity is 10 boxes. They are specialized in helping small businesses, so granted not the cheapest place, but they get it done on time and they get what I need, and I don't need to buy 1,000 boxes. So I ordered the boxes, picked them up, and instead of shipping it to SoCal, which I was originally planning to, because of the holiday rate and surcharges, shipping all the boxes I need to Southern California would have cost about $200. Now, a full tank of gas in this car gets me from Las Vegas to the Cerritos, Norwalk, 605 and 91 area in one tank with some gas left. And gas up here is about $3 a gallon, so let's say $32 to $35 for a full tank. Coming back, it's about $40, $45, and I also ran some errands down there, so let's add another tank on top of that. All in all, under $200. I made the round trip, went around, did everything, and topping off my tank when I'm back in town for under $200. So it was worth it to get some errands done. Obviously, drop the boxes off. I had a box package everything at the Mod in Japan warehouse. That was a fun afternoon. It took me about 2 hours to get everything done, but instead of paying labor for their warehouse to do it, I just went and did it myself. If you saw the Instagram stories, you'd know what I'm talking about, or I'll try to put a picture here if I remember to during editing. But yeah, I also came back with a bunch of stuff from Japan. So let's go ahead and take a look, see what there is here. So in these boxes, you can kind of see here, see a headlight. So these are JDM spec, or otherwise known as Toyota BB first generation headlights. You can see it here. These are actually in pretty good shape. The original photos that I saw, it didn't look as nice. They just need a little bit of cleaning and scrubbing. The little black stuff comes off. They're just a little dirty and whatnot, but overall can be cleaned, no problem. The headlights use an H4, so amazing. So each of the 4 smaller boxes has headlights in them. All of them packaged a little bit different than the others. Most of them, those 3 sets are actually in really similar condition and really good shape. This one, a little bit less. This one I would call it like a 6 out of 10. The other ones are 8 out of 10s for used Japanese parts. It's really cool. These are pretty sought after in the Scion scene. So first gen Toyota BB headlights, I got 4 sets of them. Hit me up. And then the big item that I brought back were these. These are work Eurolines. 19-inch. The front specs are 19 by 9 plus 26, I believe, and the rears are 19 by 10 plus 22. They are not in perfect shape. When I picked them up, the condition was disclosed but not very clear. If you are just dailying, these actually will work out just fine and you don't really care. These obviously, normally these lips come in already in a polish finish. These have been painted before by the previous owner. These are not 3-piece, they are 2-piece wheels. So I would recommend, you could refinish them or you don't have to, but all the center caps are there and they're here. So in really desirable specs for a lot of sedans and whatnot. Again, if you're looking for parts, go ahead and hit me up right there, info@m2-motoring.com if you're interested in any of this stuff here. But yeah, just before I cut out the video, just want to say happy holidays to everybody. Enjoy your Christmas and New Year. I got some stuff that I'm working on with this car during the holiday season. Don't have much going on, so I'm gonna finish the audio on the car hopefully, and some other stuff with this car. But yeah, have a happy, safe holiday season. Hopefully, don't drink and drive. Don't, just try to be kind to each other. And I know with everything going on in the economy, the people are a little bit uptight and kind of stressed out. I felt that before. I still feel it a little bit this year, last year, and the previous years. Financially, things weren't the greatest, so I understand how that is. So just try to be nice to each other, please, and just try to spread some positivity out there. Okay, until next time, you guys take care. Thanks so much for watching the videos. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Really appreciate everybody commenting in the videos and just subbing the channel. Glad a lot of you are finding the DIYs helpful. Just as a FYI, if you're thinking I'm becoming a YouTube mechanic, I am not. I just document working on whatever vehicles I have as a DIY, just to help all of you out, and I'm glad a lot of you are finding this useful. Until next time, you guys take care. See you next year.